Raise your hand if you have ever been cruising down the road, minding your own business when suddenly, bam, your check engine light comes on. That little orange light can feel like a punch to the gut, right? Is it serious? Is it expensive? Should you panic? Well, don't hit the freak out button just yet. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are breaking down the 7 most common reasons your check engine light might be on. Let's get to the bottom of this mystery together. Alright, let's start with the basics. Your check engine light is like your car's way of saying, hey, something's not quite right here. It could be a minor issue or a sign of something bigger. But before you start imagining your car bursting into flames, let's talk about the usual suspects. First up, the gas cap. Yep, something as simple as a loose or cracked gas tap can trigger that pesky light. If your cap isn't sealing properly, it can mess with your car's fuel system and emissions. So before you panic, check that cap. Tighten it up or replace it if it's damaged. You might just save yourself a trip to the mechanic. Next, we have got the oxygen sensor. This little guy measures how much oxygen is in your exhaust and helps your car run efficiently. If it's failing, your fuel economy can take a nosedive and your emissions go up. Not great for your wallet or the planet. Replacing it isn't the end of the world, but ignoring it, that's a recipe for bigger problems. Reason number 3, catalytic converter issues. Now this one's a biggie, responsible for reducing harmful emissions. A failing catalytic converter can trigger the check engine light and impact engine performance. Number 4, spark plugs or ignition coils. These are the heartbeats of your engine. These components ignite the fuel mixture, and if worn or faulty, can lead to misfires and trigger the check engine light. Reason 5, battery or charging system problems. Your car's battery and alternator keep everything running smoothly. If they're on the fritz, your check engine light might join the party. You might also notice dim lights or troubles starting your car. Don't wait until you're stranded in a parking lot. Get it checked. Number 6, exhaust system issues. This could be anything from a leak to a problem with the exhaust gas recirculation EDR valve. If your car's exhaust system isn't working right, it can affect performance and emissions. Plus, nobody wants to sound like a lawnmower on steroids, right? And finally, reason 7, mass airflow sensor problems. This sensor helps your engine figure out how much fuel to use. If it's dirty or failing, your car might run rough, stall, or guzzle gas like it's going out of style. Cleaning or replacing it can make a world of difference. Alright, so there you have it. 7 common reasons your check engine light might be on. Now, I know that light can feel like a ticking time bomb, but remember, not every issue is a catastrophe. Sometimes it's something simple, like a loose gas cap. Other times, it's a sign to get your car some TLC. Either way, don't ignore it. Your car is talking to you, listen to it. If your check engine light is on, grab an OBD2 scanner. They are super handy, or head to a trusted mechanic to get the code read. Knowledge is power, my friends. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.